लेकिन कदमान 20 बसी हाडल्या आमचे इंटरस्टेट रूट्स आमचे अर्निंग मायज आहा आमकां आतां आमचे इंटरस्टेट रुट्साचेर अर्निंग लेकिन इंक्रीज करपा जाय आमच्या 20 बसी येवपाचे आहे लेकिन तितूंतले 8 बसी येयल्या 8 आनी मागीर पयर स्लिपर बसी येयल्या आमची दोन फाटी आनी एक पांच वोल्वो येवपाचे आमचे हे आमी सगळे केले की regular people of Goa and the people from other states also they prefer to travel by Kadama buses because we are buses are safe and reliable. Students they going to students Belgaum by. So then we have got a request from students that to increase the frequency of buses to Belgaum, then to even Hyderabad, to Bangalore. See, our ticket fares are normal fares. After ticket kinds of and even like now many students also they take passes also. So we give the pass system. As the Belgaum, Hyderabad, Pune, आमचे गोंयकार like कामां वयता